In this video, learn to design, implement, and deploy GenAI applications using Claude models in Python, a crucial skill for automating complex tasks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of generative AI with Claude models in Python. Did you know that GenAI is revolutionizing industries by automating complex tasks? If you're looking to enhance your skills and leverage AI in your projects, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process of designing, implementing, and deploying GenAI applications using Claude models. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong foundation to create powerful AI-driven solutions. So, let's get started.
Claude models are at the forefront of generative AI, offering robust features that make them ideal for a wide range of applications. These models excel in natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and generate human-like text. One of the standout features of Claude is its ability to analyze data and provide actionable insights, making it a valuable tool in fields like finance, healthcare, and marketing. Compared to other models, Claude offers superior accuracy and efficiency, thanks to its advanced architecture. Real-world applications include automated customer support, sentiment analysis, and intelligent content generation. Understanding these capabilities is essential for anyone looking to build GenAI applications. To start building GenAI applications with Claude models, you'll need to set up your Python environment. First, ensure you have Python installed on your computer. Next, you'll want to create a virtual environment to manage dependencies effectively. This can be done using tools like Venv or virtualenv. Once your environment is ready, install the necessary Claude model libraries and dependencies using pip. Configuring your integrated development environment, IDE, such as PyCharm or VS Code, is crucial for a smooth development experience. Finally, test your setup with a simple Python script to confirm everything is working correctly. This foundational step sets the stage for your GenAI journey. Integrating Claude models with Python applications involves several key steps. Start by importing the necessary Claude libraries into your Python script. Once imported, initialize a Claude model instance, which will serve as the core of your application. Feeding data into the model is the next step, and Claude models are designed to handle various data types seamlessly. After processing the data, you'll need to interpret the model's output, which can be used for decision-making or further analysis. Handling exceptions and errors is a critical part of this process, as it ensures your application runs smoothly and efficiently. This integration is the heart of building functional GenAI apps. Designing a basic GenAI application architecture is crucial for creating efficient and scalable applications. Start by outlining a simple architecture that includes data input, processing, and output stages. The flow of data and logic should be well defined to ensure smooth operation. Claude models play a central role in this architecture, handling the core AI tasks. Incorporating user input features enhances interactivity and user experience. Additionally, planning for scalability and performance from the outset ensures your application can handle increased loads and complex tasks as it evolves. A well-designed architecture is the backbone of a successful GenAI application.
Natural language processing, NLP, is one of Claude's strongest suits. To implement NLP features, start by exploring Claude's capabilities in text processing. These include tasks like tokenization, stemming, and lemmatization. One practical application is sentiment analysis, where Claude can determine the sentiment behind a piece of text, useful for customer feedback analysis. Additionally, you can create chatbots and conversational agents that use Claude to engage with users intelligently. Analyzing real-life NLP examples can provide insights into how Claude models are applied in various industries. These techniques unlock new possibilities in AI-driven communication. Claude models are powerful tools for data analysis, enabling you to extract meaningful insights from complex datasets. Start by feeding your data into the model and letting Claude analyze patterns and trends. This analysis can uncover valuable insights that drive decision-making. Visualizing these insights through graphs and charts enhances understanding and communication. Claude can also automate reporting processes, saving time and reducing errors. Understanding the impact of AI-derived insights is crucial for leveraging them effectively in business strategies. This practical approach to data analysis with Claude empowers you to make informed, data-driven decisions.
Deploying your GenAI application on a cloud platform is a crucial step in bringing your solution to users. Start by selecting a cloud platform that suits your needs. Popular options include AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Set up the necessary cloud resources and services, such as virtual machines and databases. Deploy your Claude-based application, ensuring it's configured correctly for the cloud environment. Security and compliance are paramount, so implement best practices to protect your data and application. Monitoring and optimizing performance ensures your application remains efficient and responsive. Following these best practices guarantees a successful deployment. Troubleshooting is an essential skill when building GenAI applications. Common issues include code errors, performance bottlenecks, and data inconsistencies. Start by identifying the problem, using debugging tools to locate errors in your code. Optimizing application performance may involve refining algorithms or adjusting resource allocation. Data inconsistencies can be managed through data validation and cleaning techniques. Leveraging community forums and support resources can provide valuable insights and solutions from other developers. Effective troubleshooting ensures your GenAI application runs smoothly and delivers the desired outcomes, making it a critical aspect of the development process. Congratulations on completing your journey to mastering GenAI with Claude models in Python. We've covered everything from setting up your environment to deploying your application on cloud platforms. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to honing your skills. Engage with the community, share your experiences, and learn from others. We invite you to comment below with your thoughts and share this video with your network. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Your feedback helps us create content that matters. Until next time, keep innovating with AI.